Swim, swim, little shark so free, splish and splash in the deep blue sea. Wave your fins and count with me, happy sharks in the ocean sea. 5 little sharks went out one day, wiggling their tails as they swam away. They spotted a shell and shouted, "Hey!" Then one swam off to play away. Now there are 4 little sharks in the sea.
4 little sharks were feeling bold, searching the water for treasure gold. They found a fish who wasn't old, and one went chasing down the coast.
Now there are 3 little sharks in the sea. 3 little sharks went swimming around, making fun splashes without a sound. They spun in circles above the ground, then one went deep where pearls are found. Now there are 2 little sharks in the sea.
Sharks said, "Let's explore." They swam through caves and coral floors.
They heard the waves like ocean roars,
and one swam off to see more shores.
Now there is 1 little shark in the sea. 1 little shark so brave and bright, swam through the water day and night. He met a dolphin shining white, and made a friend in pure delight. Now there are no sharks,
but wait and see.
The ocean's full of friends and glee. Swim, swim, little friends so free, splish and splash